Nord Robotics has developed a robotic plastic cryovial tubes assembly work center. It represents a cutting-edge solution for efficient and precise packaging of cryovial tubes. Designed to streamline the packaging process, this advanced system incorporates modern technology to automate various tasks, ensuring accuracy, speed, and reliability. The process begins by forming the boxes required for packaging the tubes. This is achieved through a box-forming mechanism that precisely folds the packing boxes. The system is capable to pack 4 different tubes types at once. Once the boxes are formed, the robot seamlessly moves on to the tube stacking process. Employing precision robotics, the system delicately places the cryovial tubes into the boxes, ensuring optimal organization and minimizing the risk of human mistake during packaging. It ensures a consistent and high-speed stacking process, enhancing overall efficiency. After the tubes are arranged within the boxes, it proceeds to close and seal the packaging. Finally, the fully packed and sealed boxes are automatically transported to the designated storage area. The Automatic Plastic Cryovial Tubes Assembly Center is a highly sophisticated and efficient system that revolutionizes the cryovial tubes packaging process. From box formation to tube stacking, box closing, paper tape strapping, and storage, every step is meticulously automated, ensuring consistent and high-quality packaging solutions.